Welcome back to the show where some random Norwegian guy on the internet teaches you how to fold baby clothes. Today we're going to have a look at baby pants. I got two methods that I want to show you. One that's fast and easy and great for storage, and then we'll have a look at the way that's great for travel as well, in case you have like a day pack or something. So we're going to start here by placing the baby pants with the front side facing up like this, and then from here we're going to split it down the middle here and fold it in half from side to side like this. So now we have the back side here facing up on one edge. Next we're going to split it in half again, but this time from top to bottom. And I'm folding it from the top all the way down to the bottom here in half like this. And then split it in half again and fold it over one more time. And from here, you can keep it like this if you want to in your dresser, but to be honest with you, I prefer placing it standing up like this. If you have trouble making it stand, just gonna press it down in like a very sharp pyramid shape, like this. And voila! This is called file fold. It's great for stacking multiple clothes next to each other. They kind of support each other. If you have something like this, is just a cheap box from IKEA. It's called IKEA Skub if you're interested. And you can place the clothes like this, you know, and you can stack them next to each other and they will support each other. Obviously, this isn't very good for travel because this is just gonna fall apart very easily, right? Instead, I'm going to show you an alternative here, which is pretty cool. So for the travel method, what we're going to do is that we're going to place the baby pants again with the front side facing up like this, and we're splitting it in half from side to side and folding it over like this. Now, here comes the change from the previous method. We're going to take the top leg here and we're going to fold it out 90 degrees. So I usually find that maybe, let's say, 1.5 to 2 inches below the crotch is a good way to start here, so that like this. And then from here we are going to take the pants and we're going to turn them around so that we have the waist facing us, and from here we're going to start rolling the pants up. You don't need to do this very tightly on baby pants because frankly they are so small that we have lots of room to work with here. Once we have done this, lift it up with one of your hands like so, and then you can take your other hand and wrap them inside the opening of the leg here. I'm going to fold them over the entire roll like this. So this secures the entire thing in place. As you can see, this isn't going to come apart anytime soon. So if you have like a day pack or something, this is great to pack the pants. I actually store my own pants like this as well. But if you want to do that, you kind of need to flatten them on the bottom. So just gonna rub it at the bottom of your palm here, and that way they will stand up on their own as well. This is really cool. I have a bunch more of these tricks that you can check out on organizing.tv/free. There you can actually download a free cheat sheet with like step-by-step instructions in this cheat sheet with all my favorite folds. Next episode, we're gonna have a look at how to fold baby shorts. So that's gonna be a lot of fun as well, and I'll see you over there.